Stop running 3 different timers for your lights in your yard. This DEWENWILS 300-watt transformer is a beast, and it can do everything you really want it to do. You could set it up so it turns out the lights in the front of the house, the walkway lights, at a reasonable hour in the evening, but at the same time you could program it to leave your security lights on all night. It is phenomenally controllable, and 300 watts of beastly stainless steel power is incredible. Only one thing left to do. Let's go install it, make sure it actually works, and see how it is to actually live with. Okay, so talk about a heavy-duty, cool piece of equipment that is so easy to set up and install. I just did this. It was super easy. The only thing that I found a little confusing was it looked in like instructions, like there was a mount for the sensor here. It fit perfectly for my application to put it right there, so that was no big deal for me. I've checked it out. I checked out the timers, I checked out the sensor, and I checked out the on and off. Everything has worked perfectly for me instantly. And I have done a couple of these, and this is about the easiest timer setup that I've ever seen. There's a separate switch for both zone 1 and zone 2. You can toggle all the way through, all kinds of options without having to program in a ton of buttons. Really super simple, very clear, very easy to use, but yet not lacking functionalities. This thing is an absolute get. I do have one small complaint about it because this is how I am, picky about things. The way this opens up, but you really have to like almost lie down to see what the display says, which I'm going to complain about it, but I don't think I have an answer of how else I would build the door so that it is this protective and this heavy duty and you can still easily see it. But you just need to know that if you want to see what's going on, you're going to need to crawl around on the ground a little bit. I'll take it. As a matter of fact, you should take it as well. If you're like me and you're willing to roll around on the ground every once in a while, you can't possibly go wrong. Here's a link here on the screen. There's another one down in the description. I appreciate you using those. They help out the channel a little bit while I'm doing this. If I've added some value in this conversation, please like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments, what are you lighting up with this? I really did like the functionality I talked about. We have a set of lights here which are like green and they look pretty. I'll have them run for like 6 hours after the sun goes down. And then at the same time, all night, I have some security lights which I want them to run all night. So it is really nice to separate those two, have them operate completely independently, and it be so easy to do. Put in the comments what you're going to do with this. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.